It looks like we did miss a few pipes out, which were the fuel lines, as I thought the fuel tank come with the rear frame, but clearly it doesn't, and that stays in the front monocoque. So all the fuel lines have got to be disconnected, which we did. 3, 2, 1.
It's apart.
Is it 3 places in the world now?
And that's it. The front of the car was actually separating from the rear. My dad's now disconnecting that cable, which ran from inside of the car to the gearbox, which now allows us to move the front of the car even further forward. The unit door's got to go up, and eventually we've moved it further enough forward that we was at the point we were all clear of the engine and gearbox.
Yeah, that should swing now.
Bro, the fact that this is on garbage can bins.
Yeah, it's literally on bin wheels.
Just think the money that we could have saved Bugatti.
We'd done it. I guess it is true what they say. If it was built by a man, it could be repaired by a man. But we all know it's one thing taking this car apart, it's another skill to put it back together. But this is just an example of one of those things in my life where someone's told me that it's not possible to do, which makes me just want to do it more and more.